Hello there. Welcome to Jerkin' Around. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler. As you can see, I just finished topping off a beer. We've just had a tasting here. And most folks, when they get through the tasting, they'll have a cracker maybe to cleanse the palate, or a piece of cheese if they're hungry. Not the old Growler. No, sir. I grabbed myself some beef jerky. Yep. Beef jerky and beer. Whoa, that's a combination made in heaven. Sometimes you have a piece of beef jerky, it can make a so-so beer taste really great. And what good tasting beer, it can knock it out of the ballpark. I learned that trick when I was tasting wines when I worked for Beverage Media magazine. The vintners would put out a little bit of cheese to go with the wines. That way it makes a so-so cheese or a so-so wine taste a lot better, and a good wine, it would just really make it taste excellent. So the beef jerky has that intense beef flavor with a little bit of salt and maybe a touch of smoke. That goes so great with any type of malt beverage, particularly beers. All right, well, most of the times when I do a tasting, after the tasting, I have a little bit of beef jerky to find out if a flavor combination is a hit or a miss. Okay, we're going to find out now. That what we've got here is from the Other Half Brewing Company. It is their Paper Florets Double Dry Hopped India Pale Ale. There you go, right there. And tasting notes are right up there, but I can tell you that it is a well-balanced beer. It's got a nice body to it. Definitely in a Northeast India, New England Northeast India Pale Ale. That double dry hopped, the aroma was right there, mango and a little bit of citrus, and the combination of the body of that beer and the hops, it ended up with a nice dry finish. And boy, oh boy, I gave it a 4.5 for sure. Probably should have given it a 4 3/4. All right. Well, got the old piece of beef jerky, got the beer here. Let's see if the flavor is going to be a hit or a miss. That concentrated beef flavor is outstanding. Just a touch of smoke. This comes from my favorite smokehouse up in Canterbury, New Hampshire, Fox Country. If you want to get in touch with them, information is in the description box below. All right, let's see if this is going to be a hit or a miss. Ready? Here we go. Oh, that dry finish really brings out the flavor of the beef. That's for sure. Boy, I can guarantee you that this is a real hit. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. Share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler. Looking forward to seeing you next time when we're jerking around.